I'm not making a ton of money, and I'm really ready to take my business to the next level. Okay, so now you're at a point where that's good. You've got brand awareness. You've got people who like your product, so you're getting good feedback. You've got a captive audience that if you do open a storefront, maybe people are like, they're ready to visit you. Now it's time to raise money for your project. And all the energy that you've put into your business is really not lost because you've got people who the customers might be the best people to invest in your business, or who know people who might be interested in investing in your business. Okay, so I would put a business plan together or reach out to a company like ours. You can reach out to me specifically, Andrew at StartAJuiceBar.com, and have us put a business plan together for you. If you don't have the time or energy or feel confident and capable of doing that, then you take your business plan and you shop it around as you are raising money, as you are developing and serving your customers with your product. You use your business plan to raise money for the business.